How's everybody doing? Spike here in the Frugal Fixer Shop, and I'm here with the deuce and a quarter. And I was going over it and looking around and trying to figure out where to start to get all this thing kind of tuned up, cleaned up, and everything. And you know, the first thing I got to do is, y'all notice that he's got the wheels on the bottom right here. All these beautiful wheels. But this is the side you operate from, but the controllers are on that side, which means they got to be swapped. That one over there and that one there. So that's what we're going to do first, is we're going to swap the controllers, the rollers out, and put them on the right end, get the casters where they belong, because they work good, but they're on the wrong end. They're hard to work with. So hey, let's get in here and change them right quick. Let's go. As y'all can see, the controller's over here, but it needs to be over there. So what we're going to do, we're going to move them, switch them. So first thing I got to do is let it down. Nice down. Okay. So we got to move out and put it on that end. Move out and over there and put it on this end. So let's get that done. Now that we got the pressure off of it, we can take it off. So let's get something to work with. I got a screwdriver tip here. It might take them off. Let's see if that'll make them go. Were they? You know you're on Shopsmith when you find square nuts on stuff, right? Okay, let's go. Let's go get that one now, okay? There we go. Problem with them is when you got them in backwards, is they load up backwards. So we're gonna change that. Y'all with me over, I guess, ain't you? I'm upside down, ass backwards, ain't I, guys? It's got a little star washer, square nut. Reach up in there and get it in the hole. Yeah, I'm down here. Control messing up here. Put it in like that. Get a screw in here. One step up on now. See what this one does. See if this one works. Okay, now it makes sense. The rollers are on the side where you work from. It'd be a lot easier to work, right? So hey, that's all you got to do is get them on the right side and make that thing work. Hey, thanks for coming by. I got to go in and study up. I got all this reading to do. And then I got that big old book with all them lessons in it. And then, well, then I got to get out and get to work cleaning up this thing, get it all greased up and ready to run because I got some things to build. I got guitars to get done and some gold prospector stuff I'm going to work on too. But you know something? Remember this, guys. Them likes are free. I appreciate you. Stay out of trouble. See you next time. We'll get everything done one day. You know how it works. Day at a time.